It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Sndl growers, the ticker symbol for this stock, Sndl. We're going to take a look at this article from the investorplace.com. I'm not going to read the entire article, we're just going to look over little parts and we're going to talk about it just a bit. The headliner reads, Sndl stock remains little more than a squeeze play. Save your money. Sndl growers is as fundamentally unappealing as it was before. To that I say FUD. FUD. It's very difficult to ascribe a bullish narrative to Sndl at this time. While looking through Sndl stock and its latest financial results, I couldn't find any evidence leading to a logical conclusion other than to avoid it. Right there, this person is not being open-minded. They think that Sndl stock is a complete loser. I, of course, am against what this person is saying. I have always preached in the channel, Sndl stock under $1 is golden. This is your golden ticket, the golden goose, the opportunity to get in. After it runs off to $1 and the major FOMO kicks in, we're going to be talking about $4 or $5 Sndl, possibly $10 if it really goes off. But then check what this person talks about. Right here, they're talking about Inner Spirit acquisition for Sndl stock. That was the acquisition that happened back in July for Sndl. Look, another thing, the Spirit Leaf, right? Spirit Leaf was another sort of collaboration, another acquisition that they did. So Sndl does have their partnerships laid out, and they of course have more money to buy other smaller companies in order to increase and have Sndl become even more massive than it already is. Squeeze play. This right here is the interesting thing. Sndl growers is heavily shorted. More than 26% of its float is currently shorted. The narrative there is not one which investors can predict with any degree of certainty. Perhaps retail investors can trigger a squeeze and raise prices quickly. Perhaps they can. It's a bet and a little more. Look, at the end of the day, when we talk about squeeze plays, you're talking about massive influx of money. And you know what? At the end of the day, I don't care if Sndl is a squeeze play or not. Sndl is a winner. And if Sndl is a squeeze play, that only means one thing. You're going to see a massive amount of profit when the price rises. Whether you decide to sell or not, that is completely up to you. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. Do the homework, do the research, you'll come out winning. Bank on it. But back to what I was saying with the squeeze play. Look, if it squeezes, it is what it is. The price will go up even higher. But like I said, whether you decide to sell or not, that is completely up to you. Because whatever you think that Sndl can get up to, that is on you. My personal goal, depending on how it looks and looking at how it looks right now, I say $5 maybe if we have another short squeeze, because the last short squeeze took it up to nearly $4. It was basically missing only a few cents, and then FOMO will kick in because people that had bought before will probably buy in again and try to chase it up. And then there's been other people that were already in it at the top. So unfortunately for those people, they have lost money, but they're not going anywhere if they don't sell. So with the next run for Sndl, the squeeze play could be even bigger because you're going to have more parties involved. Those who already profited and those who took losses and those who are just averaging in every day and strengthening their position. Remember, anyone that tries to sell you the BS that there's only winners in markets, cut that person out, because the truth is, yes, people do lose money in the stock market, but if you get in motion and you do things right, you will come out a winner. Let's show you Sndl for the day. It is at 76 cents, up 2 cents on the day. That's good for 3.12 cents. Remember, in one of my previous videos I said Sndl could be going higher, but it will make those moves of 2 and 3 cents. So look, in the past 5 days it is up 7.66 cents, 7.66%. That's good for 5 cents only. Doesn't seem like a lot, but with a small amount that Sndl is, 5% could get you some okay, decent profit if you're swing trading. On the month it is still down 3.38% though. So I think that this trend is sort of reversing, and we could see around that 85-cent mark where we were. Like I said, this could do that, going up in increments 2 to 3 cents every day. Let me know what you guys think down below in that comment section as it pertains to anything Sndl. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we can have more eyes seen on this video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It helps tremendously. If you haven't done so also, hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.